Watch out, Roman Reigns is on the attack now.
The following contest is a no disqualifications match and is for the WWE Universal Championship.
As we ready for singles action, Byron, what can you tell us about these two competitors?
Well, I can say that both of these superstars come into this match incredibly hungry to prove their dominance here tonight. But as we all know, only one will walk away with their arm raised in victory.
And here is the big dog.
Making his way to the ring from Vancouver, British Columbia, weighing in at 139 pounds, the best, Akira the Devil Edwards. Making his way to the ring from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, he is the WWE Universal Champion, Roman Reigns.
Get ready for some WWE magic. This match just might set social media on fire.
Oh, it's already trending.
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys compete.
Oh man, look at Roman Reigns here. Ooh. So damaging. That packed a punch. We're witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as severe. Message delivered. Corey, tell me, just how much strength does carrying your opponent around like this take?
Let's put it this way, Cole. Saxton would never be able to do it.
Nicely done. Oh, wow. That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow. Great Great move.
Watch out, Roman Reigns is on the attack now.
Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry.
Watch out, Roman Reigns is on the attack now.
A concerned look on the face of the champ, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
Yeah, but he's got a very untraditional approach tonight, which includes spending a great deal of time outside the ring. That might help him in the long run. We'll see.
But it's still a little too early to get overly concerned here. If you ask me, they both seem pretty even as far as health is concerned.
The champ's starting to sweat. He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control.
Hey, you're going to absorb some punishment in a wrestling match. It just goes along with the territory, and he knows that. I doubt he's all that concerned at this point.
This guy's a machine. Jeez. Ooh, nice. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Nice move. He's displaying classic offense here. Whoa! Seems like Roman Reigns has lost a step. Unfortunately for the champ, momentum is clearly on the challenger's side right now.
This match is trending in a bad direction for him right now.
He is a one-man gang in there.
Got it. Driving his knee down. Look out. He's fighting from underneath. Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
Caught by surprise by the breaker. He's fighting from underneath.
I think this is the beginning of the end.
Big move coming.
Wait for it.
Looks like he's awakened from his coma.
Unbelievable move by Reigns.
Nice. Shut it down.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Starting to struggle. The champion into the cover. Rough spot for him here. So painful. He's fighting from underneath. What's Roman Reigns putting together here? Here's the apron drop kick. Oh, it's over. Looks as though the champ has run out of gas. I think it's safe to say that this might be the beginning of the end for the champ. Great move by him right there.
Yeah, let's see that one again.
He's fighting from underneath.
Watch out, Roman Reigns is on the attack now.
How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
Really struggling now.
Watch out, Roman Reigns is on the attack now.
The champion into the cover. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Get this guy some smelling salts. He's fighting from underneath. Things have gotten much worse for Roman Reigns. He could be out of this match. Tonight may not be his night, guys.
WWE.com poll had him as the overwhelming favorite leading into this match, but he's definitely not looking like the favorite so much right now.
This one could go either way, guys. It might just come down to which superstar is the next.
His shoulders are down. I can't help but think of his risk of internal injuries at this point in time. And he connects with a cross body. He catches him off guard with that amazing acrobatic move. Here he goes. It's just a matter of time now.
Just when you thought we were going to crown a new champion.
Let's check this out again, Corey.
So effective, Cole.
Shoulders down. 2.
These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup.
This might be it.
Oh my, what an assault on him.
He's a man among boys right now. Not so fast. On the comeback trail. He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in. Oh, and he reverses it. Perfectly executed. He's fighting from underneath.
Lariat! Man, looked like the champ was down and out for a moment there, but not anymore.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity. Let's take a look at the replay.
That's highlight reel material right there.
Here he goes for the win! And he closes it out. 3! The champion is victorious.
I could watch highlights of that one all night long.
Here is your winner and the new WWE Universal Champion, the best, Akira the Devil Edwards.
And there's your winner.
To get the pinfall victory over such a high-quality opponent is incredibly impressive, Michael.
We may be in New Orleans tonight, but I assure you there was nothing easy about that win right there.
What the? I don't think we're going to wait for the match to start.